Hello! It is that time of year again. We're back with fiber gifts. This is week number 1 of the fiber gifts of Christmas. There will be 12 of them, but this is the first one. So yeah, let's check out what we have in here for the first week of fiber gifts 2020. We're just gonna set that down there because it doesn't fit on my table. Ta-da! A little man! He's so handsome. Look at him. This is the Papa Penguin from Going Gnome. He's got a little egg in there. That is optional if you want to have the little egg. You don't have to. But yeah, he's just adorable. I just love him. His little colorful cheeks are so very cute. This is a needle felting kit. So you just get to stab a whole bunch with a needle, which is a lot of fun. So this guy is going to go on sale on October 16th. That is tomorrow, Friday, October 16th. It'll be on sale for a week, so keep an eyeball out for him if you want to get him. Originally, he's 28 bucks. Currently, we're gonna, well, not currently yet, I guess will be tomorrow. We'll have him on sale for 15% off, so check him out if you want. And this is just a little added bonus because they're so very cute. This isn't part of the kit, but there are little penguin babies by Going Gnome also. So if you want to make a little family, you could get the little baby penguins to go with them. This is what the tube looks like as well. So you can see they come in this really nice, it's actually really nice because then you don't have anything sharp hanging out and anything soft, which is really cool. So just in this nice little contained unit, baby penguins, if you want the baby penguins, you hold them more nicely so you can see them. But yeah, make yourself a little penguin family. Look at them.